Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2024 Honda CR-V. Prepare to fall in love with this sleek, tech-savvy CR-V. Loaded with convenience features to make your life easier, all-weather capability, and premium styling, this small SUV is the perfect complement to your active lifestyle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: wireless Apple Carplay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, backup camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.